In our area, we are Central London Borough, and our main challenges as regards housing estates is the drugs problem. And that, of course, escalates into antisocial behaviour on our estates, naturally, because they're very often, these young people are not able being responsible as they should be growing up. It's no good us criticising these young people without trying to solve the problem. For example, when I first went to live in that area from Sussex, where I came when I married, I've lived there 46 years, we had 17 youth centres in which young people could go, get advice, etc. Now there's none at all. Cutbacks and cutbacks have meant these have closed, and it is led to the young people hanging around on the streets, hanging around, and it does present us with a major problem, and of course makes them extremely vulnerable to the drug pushers who come from all over. We'd like the TSA to come in with advice and help us in any way like that. In fact, Holborn District Management Committee would welcome anyone who can come forward to give us ways in which we can help these young people. We want to catch these young people before they become adults and addicted, etc., in later life. Yes, and of course this is where the TSA could help us a great deal.